Hi, this is Ben from Snapshades. Today I'm going to show you how to install your rear door shade on your Chevy Tahoe or GMC Yukon. So first you're going to carefully unfold your shade. The left side will just pop right in, right up against the glass. And you're going to install a mount here and a mount down here. So grab your pack of mounts that were provided. And grab your alcohol pad. And then you clean the surface from any residue, oils, surface protectant, interior protection. That will stop the 3M double-sided tape from sticking properly. You want that surface to be nice and dry. I like to use my thumb to make sure it's not slick anymore or feel oily. So for example, you can see here, this is more of a matte finish than this side where it's got more oil. And then over here as well, making sure it's nice and dry. Peel off the backing tape. Press firmly for 30 seconds. Leave that to set. And do the same thing for the bottom. And that's a quick install for your Chevy Tahoe. Alright, quick slam check. Perfect. Awesome. I can see here that it's not quite flush, but what you can do is you can contour the shade by bending it like this. And that'll fit this side much better, as you can see. Okay, awesome. Looks like if I pop this edge a little bit out, it seems to fit a little bit more snug. Perfect.